Hi everybody, this is Theresa, and this is Cooking with Theresa on RV Crazy.
So, to start off, to explain this a little bit better, I don't cook. And I have no shame about that. I don't care. And I can eat the same things every day and be perfectly happy. I know how many calories they have, I know how easy they are to make, and it's cheap. So one of my favorite meals to make is a Hot Pocket. These are actually really good. So all I do, this is so simple, it's not even funny, is I open the Hot Pocket. And see, like, I would be perfectly happy if my RV didn't even have a stove or an oven, because I never use it. In fact, it's gas powered, and lighting it I don't do often enough, so I don't really even think about how to do it, but it doesn't even matter, since this is what I eat. So I put it in here, throw it in the microwave, throw it in our bread box / microwave. Got all the bread. And then I heat it up for like 1.5 minutes. Yep. And then I go to the dollar store usually and I get some sort of sauce to go with it, or Walmart or wherever. So today I have some great value honey mustard dipping sauce that I dip the Hot Pocket in. And to go with this beautiful meal, I have one of my favorite all-time snacks, veggie sticks. Veggie sticks are super healthy. They got 30% less fat, and they're super, super crunchy. Mmm. Super tasty. So I put a little bit of these on the side, and I got a meal. So I'll normally eat this for lunch and dinner. And then in the morning, I just have a half a bagel, or I have one of my trusty Nutri-Grain bars. Nutri-Grain bars are like a lot of these other bars that you can get at the dollar store. Sometimes I can get like 6 of these for $1. I did because they were a discontinued pumpkin spice flavor. So I ended up getting like 7 boxes of these one day. And I'm still living off of them from like around Christmas time. So they're super good. And then when these run out, I'll go back and get some more bars, but I'll either have a bar in the morning, or I'll have a half a bagel, or a piece of a bagel, and I'll have some butter that I get from the dollar store, of course, and I'll have some butter with it. And yeah, that's most of my meals. The only time I change it up, this is very occasionally, is I'll have some of these, you know, mini buns. They're like wheat buns, and I'll have a veggie patty. So I'll take some of these veggie patties, and I'll put that on there, and I'll throw a little bit of shredded cheese on it, and I'll still have the veggie sticks to go with it, but that's it. And this is literally the only thing I eat when I'm in the RV. Good times. And I'm very happy this way. Sometimes I will change out these. I don't have them right now, but I will have some chips to go with them. I've got some dollar store chips, like Pringles, fake Pringles that I'll have, but that's about it. So, there you have it. Cooking with Theresa. Simple, easy, no skill required, and cheap. I don't care.